In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload Google Sheets and Excel data into Notion. Start in Notion on the page where you want your spreadsheet data to live. Look near the top of the page and click in the main content area so the page is active and ready for changes. Then open the page options and select Import. This is where Notion lets you bring in files and turn them into Notion content. From the import options, choose CSV. A CSV file is the simplest and most reliable format for moving table data into Notion, and it works whether your original file is from Google Sheets or Excel. Now switch over to your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. In the top left, click File, then move to Download. From the download list, choose comma-separated values or .csv. Google Sheets will export your current sheet as a CSV file and download it to your computer. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, remember that CSV exports one sheet at a time, so make sure you are on the correct tab before you download. Go back to Notion where the CSV import window is waiting. Click Choose File, then find and select the CSV file you just downloaded. Notion will begin loading your data and preparing it as a table. Next, click Map CSV Headers. This is an important step because it controls how each column in your spreadsheet becomes a property in Notion. You will see each header from your CSV, along with a property type next to it, often set to text by default. Review these carefully. For the column that should be used as the main name for each row, set that property to title. Notion databases require one title column, and picking the right one makes your table much easier to navigate and search. For the remaining columns, leave them as text if that matches your data. As you click through, you will see the property type options, and you can assign title where needed and keep text where appropriate, matching each header to the correct type based on what it represents. When your headers are mapped the way you want, confirm the import so Notion creates the database. Your spreadsheet data will appear as a table in Notion, with each CSV row becoming a database entry, and each column becoming a property. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.